man, it's been a long day. Honestly, for some reason, somehow today I was able to get like I kid you not, a week's worth of work done in a single day. Well, almost a week's worth, like 4 days and a half worth of work. And I don't know what my boss is gonna expect, because that's like a quarter of a. I did a quarter of the month. I did a quarter of the month's worth of work in a single day. I don't want them to call me back in the office full time, so I don't know what I'm doing. Oh man. But yeah, if I talk about anything in this vlog, it's gonna be work related. Not gonna lie. Not much has happened within the last like 8-9 hours since my other vlogs, because I was working quietly with my music on. So we'll just go on this ride and see how it goes. It's a bit windy right now too, though. I'm not wearing any gear besides my gloves and my helmet, so we'll see how this goes, man. My backpack feels so light too. It's honestly feeling weird because my bag's so light right now. Accidentally pushed it down into neutral. He felt the kickback on that. In fourth. Come on, boys. Let your boy in. Let your boy in. And we're in. Good. And we're in fifth. Boys in the highway now. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Cars are nothing cold, so gotta be careful. Remind myself. There was like a brief moment I saw a spot where I could just like snake my way through, but that moment passed a long time ago. Shouldn't risk it either. I'm not wearing gear, and I'm just coming home from work. It is rush hour. Should take it slow, but at the same time, rush hour. I wish plane splitting was legal in BC, man. I've never done it simply because it's not allowed. Yeah, one hand. Just go straight, just keep your balance. You knew you should not be doing this. Always have both hands on your handlebars. Don't be like me. Do as I say, but not as I do. They both changed lanes, but hey, I'll take it. Gets me going home a little bit faster. Oh man. This is one boring vlog, eh? Apologies. I'm still gonna post it, even if it's a little bit boring. I need the content, I need the watch hours, so you guys sticking around. You guys are the OGs, you guys are the special ones. Thank you. You guys are the ones I appreciate the most. You stick through it to the entertainment and the boring. Helping your fellow marauder get that bread. semi truck. Change lanes instead. Change out to a semi. Shouldn't be this slow on the highway, man. Come on. Holy hell. I think that guy's good. He had an extra helmet on. Going for a ride or something. Oh yeah, if you guys still watching, if you guys are interested in any gear from Raven Moto, such as these Diablos, check out at checkout use Moto Marauder for 10% off your entire purchase. Come on, come on. Go to ravenmoto.co and use code Moto Marauder at checkout for 10% off your entire purchase.